Oh, sorry. Alright, chat. I don't know why I'm saying chat like I'm live streaming, but in today's video, we're going to be doing a tier list of the Marvel movies. Resulting call FTW. Stop, I'm trying to make a video. Yes! Alright. We're going to be doing this in the order of how I feel like it. Alright. Just so you know, I have not seen The Incredible Hulk, and I think that's the only one I haven't seen. Yeah, it's the only one I haven't seen. So, or I haven't seen Eternals, and haven't finished Black Widow. But anyways, Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 is... oh, I did not mean to do that. It's not D tier. I think it's an A tier. It's mainly because of the music and the story. I feel uncomfortable with you being able to hear our recording. Alright. Yeah, it's supposed to take like, a week after Guardians of the Galaxy 1. So yeah, Spiderman Homecoming. That's a one. It's a, I should have probably rewatched all of them, but that would take me a while. But I kind of do remember everything that happened, so. Spider-Man Homecoming, yeah, it's an A. Ant-Man and the Wasp, the post-credit scene is like here, but the whole movie is fight me, fist to fist. Ant-Man, it's better than the sequel in my opinion. But I just, I'll put it here. I'll put it there. Avengers Age of Ultron, top A. Alright, we already are these two. Oh yeah, spoilers for No Way Home. No Way Home was just, it's so shocking when I saw it in theaters. It was when Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield came through the portal. It was just I was like smiling so hard, and then when he died, I was heartbroken. So yeah, ow. Alright, back to what I was saying. Yeah, it was just such a good movie. And there's gonna, yeah. Alright, now I can continue on. All the Spider-Man movies are within S and A. Black Panther, it's A. Most of these movies are A. Captain America Civil War should just honestly be called Avengers Civil War. Like, it did not mean to be Captain America's Civil War. Oh, now I can't get zoomed out. There you go. Yeah, but, it's right there. Of course, this is just my opinion. The first Avenger, Captain America. Should be low A. Very low A. And Guardians of the Galaxy is right in front of Black Panther. Winter Soldier, which I remember the first time I watched it, I didn't like it, but it grew on me. All these movies have been Captain Marvel. I saw this movie in theaters. I mean, I saw a couple of these movies in theaters. But yeah, this one has a special story attached to it. And the channel is kind of becoming more and more about movies than it is gaming. So yeah, I just think what drags it down is that it's the actor, because people hate on the actor. Which I understand, she is kind of annoying. Doctor Strange. Stefan Strange. Okay, I can't be too mean to this. It is the first movie, and oh, is that Iron Man 2? Oh, that's Iron Man 2. Oh, I thought that was Iron Man 1. Iron Man 2. Right there. Then Iron Man 1. Iron Man 3. But I've actually never seen Iron Man 3. I watched it a long time ago and I barely remember. But Shang-Chi. Not bottom A. It's okay. Thor: Dark World, B. Avengers, A. Thor. And Thor Ragnarok. Alright, see y'all.